Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Chord on Guitar. TJ, I'll touch the sky. Just take a moment to click the subscribe button. We have a lot of work ahead of us, and I need you on this journey. So let's do that. And now, let's set our capo on the 2nd fret. We have 2 chords only for this song, and a little bit of a melody included there as well. So let's start with the first chord. It's the D sus. Okay, so open D string, 2nd G, 2nd B, and 2nd E. You could just bar the 2nd fret here from the G string and down, so 3 strings, and have the D open there. But what I will do for this tutorial, I will actually use all my fingers, since to be able to handle the melody here, we must be able to lift off the middle string there of the bar, the B string there. So that's the reason for why I'm using all my 3 fingers like this, so I can be able to work with that string. Okay, so that's the D sus, and the second and final chord will be an E based chord, and for that one I will just play like that. I just bar still the 2nd fret here from the A string and down, and I even include the open E string. So open E and then bar from the A string and down, and that's the E. And the reason for this variation of E is also because of the melody we need to handle. Okay, but before we look at the melody here, we will look at the strumming pattern. And the strumming pattern will be pretty long here for these chords. It's the same. You're gonna play 1 strumming round for each chord, back and forth like this. Sorry, actually 2 rounds. My fault there. 2 rounds of strumming pattern for each chord. So if we start with this D sus chord, you will play down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. That will be 1 strumming round. So you start with 1 down, and you continue with up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. So up, down 2 times, and then you end with down, up. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. That is 1 round. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down. And then we shift to the E. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. You could actually play like that through the entire song without any melody included, but this is so simple, so I really believe that if you could put in the melody, it would make a big difference for this song, and it's still really reasonable and easy to play. So with the D chord here, the D sus, we will bring up the melodies on the B string. So when you play the first down, you start without the 2nd fret on the B string, so you have that open. So, and in the same time as you make this downstroke, you add the 2nd fret on the B string, so it will be kind of a hammer-on like this. There's the melody. So the melody you will have right after the first down. So and then you shift to the E chord. Here you bar like we agreed here on the 2nd fret still from the A string and down. The melody will be on the G string. So it's on the 2nd fret here from the bar, the G string, and then you need to add the 4th fret on the G string with a finger, your ring finger or so. So on the same spot there on the first down, you hammer on right after on the 4th fret on the G string. right? And that's it when it comes to this song. It goes like this through the entire song, from D sus to the E. Alright, so I'm gonna give you a couple rounds of this one, and that is how this tutorial is gonna end. TJ, I'll touch the sky. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and most of all, play tuned.